Food for Thought. Food for Thought is a fun and easy to play table game which can help children learn about the importance of healthy eating. Food for Thought is aimed at progression stages 1 to 3 in the new curriculum for Wales, which includes learners aged between 7 and 14-year-olds. When you spin the spinner and compare a variety of different foods on the cards, you will learn more about the nutritional value of the different foods. You will be able to compare how much salt, sugar or saturated fat is included within different foods. This educational and thought-provoking game is suitable for both home and school settings and fully responds to the requirements of the new curriculum for Wales to create healthy individuals. Food for Thought reflects the requirement of 4 different areas of learning and experience included within the new curriculum for Wales. These areas of learning include health and well-being, languages, literacy and communication, mathematics and numeracy, and science and technology. This game is also available in Welsh. Please visit atebol.com for details of Scrum.